Hello guys, welcome again for another great video. Remember, my name is Seal and here you are in Tremendous Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So today, for you online entrepreneurs, for you affiliate marketer, and especially for you, those of you who are beginners, I want to give you my number one recommended software, email marketing software for affiliate marketing. Why you need an email marketing software? You have probably understand it. The money is in the list. So as you are getting started online as an affiliate marketer, even as another kind of online business you are doing right now, you should really be focusing on building your list. You should be focusing on growing your own audience inside of your list, your email list. So that's why today I want to recommend you this software. There are tons of software out there online, but I think that as you are a beginner, as you are getting started, you don't need to invest tons of money. You don't need to go to a lot of difficult features. You just need to something that you can start to implement what you are learning, start to build your list, and also build relationship inside of your list. So this tool is called Get Response. It's a nice tool. I'm using it right now. And don't forget, as I'm recommending you this tool, it doesn't mean that you have to stick with that. If you find it completely fine for your entire business, you can decide to stick with this software. But one of the things you can do later is to decide to upgrade it or go somewhere else, because there are tons of possibility, and as your business will start to grow, you will need more features. You can even upgrade it, but it's all up to you. The thing I want to do, as I said, I just want you to get started and get started with an affordable solution that works. So that's it. I'm going to share my screen with you and show you how you can find this software. All right, so the website is Get Response, as I said. So the first thing you will need to do in order to just find the software is to come here. You can decide to come on Google. Yeah, you can decide, yeah, you want to come on Google. You just search Get Response 30 days trial on Google. You will find a lot of links below, so you can just choose one of them. So let's say we're going to choose this one. Can I try Get Response before buy? So this is a pretty good website. You know, as you can see here, they guaranteed you that you are able to start for 30 days completely free without to pay anything, without to register your credit card, completely free. And after the 30 days, if you want to keep on with this software, you can decide, or if you don't, you just go somewhere else. But it's completely free to get started, and I really recommend it, because as you start using this software, they give you the possibility to have 1,000 emails inside of your list. Think of it, 1,000, it's huge, it's a big number. Let's say you have just 500. I think that it's a huge number. You don't as you get started, I think that even 900, 800 is completely huge. So 1,000, it's something you really need to consider as you get started online. So there are a lot of possibilities. So the other thing you can decide to see is the pricing, or the plan. What do they give in order for you to upgrade it? What is the price? So here, as I'm in Europe, you're going to see the prices in euro, but in United States, if you are in United States, the price will be in dollar. And here I have 13, but you will maybe have 15. It's just liter below. My price is a little below than yours, but you can easily get started, and guess what? For free. So here you have different plans. The things you can have is 1,000 subscribers. Of course, if you enjoy to be with Get Response and you want to have more subscribers, the price will augment, will increase according if you have decided to start to pay your Get Response plan. So let's say you want to have 5,000. Now you will need to pay 400. In my next videos, I will also show you another great software that you can use for building your landing pages or your funnels. So with this software, you're gonna see that the combination, the combination of both are completely cheap as you get started online. So let's say we're gonna stick with our 1,000, and this is the price. It's cheap. I think it's affordable. It's literally nothing per month. So this one, don't forget, it's when you decide to get started. But before that, you can start to have a complete free plan. So how you get started with your complete free plan? You just come here, you have a sign up button for free. You just click on this button, and yeah, that's just what you need to do. You fill up your informations, your name, your email, your passwords, and once you've done that, you're completely done. And guess what, my friend? When you start with even a free plan with Get Response, you can also start have an affiliate account, meaning that you can also promote this product and start to earn commissions on it. So first, it's almost free for the first 30 days. Second, it's cheap comparatively to other email marketing software. And free, you can start to make up to 33% commission on each sales, and I mean monthly. Isn't beautiful? Yes, it is. So once you've done that, now I'm going to share you my own account, because I've started with this software, I want to say 20 years ago, 20 months, I'm sorry, 20 months ago. So as you can see, I am on my 10th day of trial. So I've been with this software, and I can tell you, I'm learning a lot, and I enjoy using it, especially because it's free for the first 30 days, and also because the price is completely affordable. So I really recommend you to get involved with this software. Now I've started to build my list. It's not so big right now, but I'm with almost 100 subscribers inside of my list. Isn't beautiful? Yes, it is. So I highly recommend you to get started. Don't forget, think big, but start small. That's the way you really need to think of your online business. So that's what I wanted to talk with you today, guys. I hope you enjoy this video and you learn a lot. And I hope you will take action. Don't forget, it's the most important thing you can do for your online business. So thank you again. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I tell you, bye-bye. Au-dessus des royaumes, au-dessus des trônes, au-dessus de